So you want to screen yourself for head lice. Let's get started. My name is Shannon Kerrigan. I'm the founder of Nit Picky, a professional head lice and nit removal service. I've been successfully treating families since 2007. So there are a few things you're going to need to start with. You're going to need a detangler comb. You're going to need 4 hair ties or 4 hair clips. Once you grab those, you're also going to want to get any everyday conditioner that you might have in your shower. And that's all you need, besides the fact that you might want to pause this video, go jump in the shower, go ahead and shampoo and condition regularly, and towel dry your hair. So I have what I need. I have my conditioner, my detangler comb, and I have my clips. So let's get started. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have your hair towel dried, not soaking wet. My hair is already prepared. And you're going to want to split your hair down the middle as if you're doing 2 pigtails. It's okay if it's not perfect. Just go ahead and use that detangler comb and work your way down the middle of your hair, just like this. Okay. And then comb your hair over your shoulders. So I'm certain my part is not perfect, but it's going to do the job. And then you're going to section the hair right over your ears. And you're going to have 4 ponytails. If you have hair ties, you're going to tie those up. Clips are best. So you're going to go ahead and take that clip and clip your hair. And take each section and clip it up. Right over the ear. Again, your second part over the ear. If you can get straight parts, great. This does not have to be perfect. Okay, so now we have a section of the hair right here. You can go ahead and clip that up. And this is what your hair should look like. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. Okay, so now that we have our hair sectioned, we're going to go ahead and drop one of those clips, or take out the hair tie. Take a small amount of conditioner, dime to quarter size, depending upon how thick your hair is, and smooth that from the roots to the ends. Make sure you get all of your hair in there. And then you're going to take your lice comb. Take your lice comb, and you are going to use that part line. Even though you can't see it, you can feel it. And you're going to bring your lice comb flat against the scalp and pull it down to the end. And when you do this, what will happen is if you have lice or nits, you'll see them get stuck into the back of your comb. You'll have white conditioner, and you'll have either brown teardrops, which are the eggs, and or bugs. Bugs have legs. Okay, so you can do this, and you go all the way around the hair in a ponytail. Okay, and then once that's clear, you can move on to the next section. If you find lice or nits, you already know right away you need to treat. So you can continue the process that I'm going to show to remove the majority of the infestation if you choose, or you can stop. You can call a professional lice service, or you can go to the store and purchase an over-the-counter lice shampoo and begin your treatment based upon those instructions. I'll continue showing you the screening process, but again, if you do find lice or nits in this first section, you do know it is time to treat. At this point, I have not found anything, and I'll continue searching. So you'll pin the section back up. I have some loose hair here. I don't want that loose. I want to go ahead and take that, wrap that up taut, and pin it up away from my other section. Now, add whatever conditioner you have in your shower, dime to quarter size, to that section. Root to tip. You can't see the back of your head, but you can feel it. So bring your lice comb in as close to that part line as you can get, flat against the scalp, and pull it all the way to the ends. And go all the way around the section, like you're smoothing out a ponytail, the lumps of a ponytail, and go underneath. Okay. Once you fully go around that whole section, look to see what you found. Okay. Is there lice or nits backed up in your comb? If there's conditioner back here, you will see the contrast. Okay, I'm clear. Moving on to the next. Taking that front section, dime to quarter size amount of conditioner, spreading it root to tip. Taking my lice comb, right in at the part line. Comb goes in flat against the scalp, hair as far back as it can go into the depth of the comb, as you can see here. And then scrape that along the hair all the way to the ends. Did you see anything? Is there anything there? Okay, losing a little bit of hair is normal during this process, but we're looking for lice or nits. Nothing. So keep moving along the part line, making it into a ponytail. Go up underneath. Again, each swipe, I am moving along the scalp to the ends. Okay, nothing, just some stray hair. Okay, clear. Again, if you find lice or nits in any of these sections, you know you need to move forward with treatment. Final section, quarter to dime size amount of conditioner. Spread that in. Root to tips. Feel for that part line. I have a mess going on back here. I have this section is blending into the section I need to comb through. So what I'm going to do, I don't want that. I need a clear section so my hair doesn't pull. I'm feeling for that part line. I'm going all the way around. See, I'm coming into another section. I don't want that. I pull back out and then come back into the section I want to comb. Anything there, anything built up into your back of your conditioner or the back of the comb, any brown tear dots, any bugs with legs, that's what you're looking for. So I'm clear, I do not have lice, but if you do see any of those signs of evidence, that would mean you do have lice. You need to move forward with treatment. You can call a professional service or you can try to DIY it. This is the best way to screen. I'm going to show you an additional way to screen without doing the 4 sections quickly here. So I'm going to take out my clips. All I'm going to do is I'm going to part my hair down the middle. And I'm going to do this in 2 sections. You can do this in the shower, conditioner in your hair. Again, I can't see the back of my head, but I can feel for that part line. I'm just trying to get as straight as I possibly can, although I know it's not perfect. And I'm going to detangle my hair, pull it up over my shoulders, and I'm going to take my lice comb. I'm going to feel for that part line I'm going to bring my lace comb flat against my scalp, pull it to the ends. Now bring it up top. And it's just section over section. So I'm overlapping my sections. I'm always coming in at that part line. I'm always grazing against my scalp. And I'm just smoothing out the lumps of the ponytail. Nothing there. Repeat. You may see white, which is dandruff. You may see fuzz balls. You may see lint, dirt. That's normal. We are looking for caramel brown teardrops and bugs with legs. Okay? So that's how you do it. Just like you were going to put your hair into a ponytail, pigtails, you comb your hair like that, and you can go underneath. And then check for evidence of lice or nits. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to call Nit Picky 877-888-2820. You can also text that number for additional assistance, 877-888-2820. Good luck.